Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Google Gemini and confirming photo editing permissions. Then upload the highest resolution image you have and save a backup copy immediately. Next, pick one primary objective, crop, adjust color, remove an object, or apply a style, and choose the matching tool. Once chosen, make a small, deliberate change to test results. This gives you a reference to compare. Make sure the image orientation and aspect ratio match the final use case before proceeding to deeper edits. Now dive into the core adjustments. Use exposure, temperature, saturation, highlights, and shadows to shape tone. Nudge sliders in small increments to avoid clipping. For object removal, paint a mask or use the brush, then refine edges at about 1 to 2 pixels so transitions look natural. You should use the undo history and opacity sliders like layers, lower opacity for subtle fixes, and toggle comparisons to check progress. Once satisfied, make a medium resolution export to verify on different screens before finalizing. Finish by exporting the final image in the correct format and resolution for its destination. Keep both the original and the edited file. Add gentle sharpening, about 0.5 to 1.0, and compress conservatively, aiming to keep visible artifacts under 2% for web delivery. If something looks unnatural, revert to an earlier step, then reapply adjustments in smaller increments. Alternatively, use selective healing on problem areas. A key troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, reset white balance and redo tonal tweaks, then compare before and after to confirm improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.